बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 23 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। ज़ुबैर फीड्स पीवीटी लिमिटेड, ज़ुबैर फीड्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड आर रिनाउंड लीडर इन पाकिस्तान's poultry industry requires the services of high caliber dynamic professionals for various positions based at head office Rawalpindi. To be part of this progressive organization, manager human resource qualification MBA/masters in HR or equivalent, experience minimum 10 years in HR leadership roles with strong expertise in talent management, policy development and HR operations. Manager accounts qualification qualified CA, ACCA, CMA or equivalent experience, minimum 10 years industrial experience in accounts management with expertise in financial reporting, budgeting and compliance. Team lead software implementation qualification bachelor/masters in computer science/software engineering/IT experience, minimum 7 years in software development and implementation, particularly development and implementation of ERP Next. Civil engineer side qualification bachelor's in civil engineering PEC registered. Experience minimum 10 years industrial experience in site supervision and project execution with expertise in construction management, quality control and safety compliance. Architect qualification bachelor/masters in architecture accredited. Experience minimum 10 years in industrial/commercial projects with expertise in AutoCAD, Revit, 3D modeling and construction planning. Assistant manager female qualification MBA/masters in HR or equivalent. Experience minimum 5 years in HR functions with expertise in recruitment, employee engagement and HR compliance. Assistant manager accounts qualification CA inter/finalist, ACCA, CMA or equivalent. Experience minimum 5 years industrial experience in accounts with proficiency in bookkeeping, financial analysis and ERP Next systems. Chinese interpreter/translator qualification bachelor/masters in Chinese language or HSK level 5. Experience minimum 5 years in translation and interpretation of Chinese language with expertise in business communication and technical translation. Quantity surveyor qualification bachelor's in civil engineering or quantity surveying. Experience minimum 10 years industrial experience in cost estimation and material quantification with expertise in BOQs, cost analysis and project budgeting. Draftsman 2D/3D and rendering qualification diploma/bachelor's in architecture, civil or mechanical drafting. Experience minimum 5 years in 2D and 3D drafting, modeling and rendering with expertise in AutoCAD, Revit, 3D Max, SketchUp and rendering software. Apply with confidence latest by 9th March 2025. Career at zubairfeeds.com, 469 D for Dr. / 6th Road, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. UN 05111505055, 05111505055. Website www.zubairfeeds.com. अच्छा जी, ये एक और जॉब है जो कि मैं बता रही हूँ, वही स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर। और ये एक साहब है, उन्होंने मुझे कमेंट में बोला था कि आप इस तरह से वीडियो बनाया करें, तो फिर वो अब देख लें। इतना क्लियर तो पेपर और मैं जो पढ़ रही हूँ ना, वो मैं पेपर से ही पढ़ रही हूँ, न्यूज़पेपर ही पढ़ रही हूँ मैं। तो ये मैं बता रही हूँ आप लोगों को, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान फाइनेंस डिवीज़न, इतना इससे अच्छा तो पेपर में लिखा हुआ है, न्यूज़पेपर में लिखा हुआ है। वैकेंसी अनाउंसमेंट, फाइनेंस डिवीजन, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इंटेंड्स टू हायर टेक्निकल एडवाइज़र, डेप्थ इन डेप्थ in Debt Management Office from open market to increase talent pool on contract basis, initially for a period of 2 years, extendable for a period of further 2 years, contingent upon result based performance. Name of post technical advisor, Debt Management Office, scale SPPS1. 2 details of required qualification and professional experience can be downloaded from website of the Finance Division, www.finance.gov.pk. 3 qualified and eligible interested candidates should apply only through National Job Portal http://njp.gov.pk till 9/3/2025. 4. Terms and conditions as contained in Establishment Divisions OM number 1/11/2018 E6 dated 22/3/2019 as amended from time to time shall apply. The aforesaid OM is available on the website of Finance Division. 5. Incomplete applications and those received after the closing date will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates fulfilling the laid down criteria will be called for interview. Not EA/DA will be admissible. 6. The Finance Division reserves the right to cancel recruitment process at any time without assigning any reason. Zishan Mazhar, Section Officer HR4, room number 129, S Block Park Secretariat, Finance Division, Islamabad. Phone number 009251920930. 009251920930, उड़ान पाकिस्तान। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।